Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of ultimate calisthenics skills with our 4-month progression guide. So, let's kick things off with the handstand push-up. We'll start at 10 reps and work our way up to 50. Next, we've got the one-arm push-up. We'll begin at 5 reps on each side and aim for a total of 20. Trust me, your triceps will be on fire. Moving on to the muscle-up. We'll start with 5 reps and work towards 15. And finally, let's tackle the clap push-up. We'll begin at 10 reps and strive for a whopping 80. For those looking to take things to the next level, I recommend incorporating the plyometric movements we mentioned into your routine. Remember to prioritize rest and nutrition as you progress in your journey. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fitness tips and workout routines. Happy training, everyone.